Morning, my dear students. I, Neha Gupta, your class teacher, is appeared before you to teach you English grammar, lesson 4, countable and uncountable nouns from your English grammar book. But before going to start the chapter, I want to know what is noun? A noun is the name of person, place, animal, or thing. And countable and uncountable nouns are parts of nouns. So let's start it. Most nouns in English are countable. We can put a number before them. They have singular and plural forms. As we know, most nouns in English grammar are counted as countable noun because we can put number before them. They have both the forms singular and plural. Just see the examples, just like 2 tables, 1 fridge, 4 chairs, 2 lamps. Now just see the countable noun in singular and plural, both the forms. Examples are here. 1 table, it's a singular form, it's plural. 4 tables. Next, here, there is 1 fridge in the room. There are 4 chairs. And next is there are 2 lamps on the wall. In this room, there is a 1 fridge, 4 chairs and 2 lamps. All these are countable nouns. Some nouns are uncountable. We can't put a number before them. In uncountable nouns, some nouns are as we can't put the number before them. They have no plural form. Just see. We can't say a luggage, a paper, a furniture. We do not use a or an before an uncountable noun. Use some before an uncountable noun. We cannot use a or an before an uncountable noun. We can use some before an uncountable noun. Just see here. Some luggage, some paper, some furnitures. The next example is water. We can't count our water. We will use here some water, a little water and much water. Just see the example. There is some water in the jug. There is a little water in the glass. There are ways to quantify an uncountable noun. We use measure words for counters to count the uncountable nouns. For counting uncountable nouns, we use measure words that are, just see the example, 2 pieces of furniture. Here, furniture is an uncountable noun and pieces are measuring word. Next, 1 glass of water. Here, water is an uncountable noun and glass is a measuring word. With the help of measuring word, we just count the uncountable nouns. 2 bars of soap. Here, bar is a measuring word and soap is an uncountable noun. So, the words piece, glass, box, bar are countable nouns. We use such words to measure or count the quantity of an uncountable noun. Such words are also called measure words or counters. We use these kinds of words to measure the quantity of an uncountable noun. Just see the list of countable and uncountable nouns. First, countable, that are eggs, banana, olive, fries, burger, hot dog, apple, carrots, tomatoes, watermelon. Now let's see the example of uncountable nouns. Milk, flour, salt, sugar, jam, meat, rice, honey, tea and cheese. So, these are some listing of countable and uncountable nouns. Now just see the measuring words of uncountable nouns. Milk. We can't count milk simply, so we will use a bottle of milk, a glass of water, a jug of water, a cup of tea, a packet of tea, a jar of honey, a loaf of bread, a slice of bread, a carton of milk, a can of Coke, a bottle of Coke, a ball of sugar, a kilo of meat, a bar of soap, a bar of chocolate, a piece of chocolate, a piece of cheese, a piece of furniture. I hope you all have understood this chapter nicely. Now, do practicing of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.